I'm Colin, and today I'm going to show you how to create submission plans for your brokerage or activities checklists if you're an individual agent. Come to your Activities tab, click on Activity Plan Builder, click Create Plan Template, name your plan. We'll do a new listing in this case. You choose the type here. You can add a description of any kind. The status will generally be active, unless it's a plan that you're working on and you don't want everyone to see it yet, in which case you can set it to inactive. Keep it on active here. The plan start date title is just the title that will show up in the activity plan. Generally, you'll just keep that start date. You can, of course, change it if you like. And if you want your entire brokerage to be able to see the plan, you will check here to enable the template for your organizational units under your administration. When complete, you will click Create. And now you're ready to add activities to that plan. Come up to Add Activity. Fill in the activity details. You can enter any details here that you think would be helpful for your agent or brokerage or for yourself. And then we're going to come to the due date. As you create new activities, you can use them as predecessors. But for the most part, you'll just keep it plan start date, and you'll use the days and the priority to control when the activities are due. For example, with this activity, listing the property, we'll say that that is due the day that the plan is added to the transaction. Remember that this date is going to be the primary way that you control the due date of the activity, but you can also use priority. For example, if your activity has a predecessor of plan start date -1 days, but is priority 5, the -1 day will still make it due sooner than priority 1, 0 days. You don't need to put an assignee. If you would like the activity to require review, you'll check here and choose your reviewer. And if you need to add a second reviewer, you can do so here as well. If the activity requires documents, you check that here. And if the activity is optional, you can check that off, allowing them to bypass this activity. And if you would like to be notified once the activity has been completed, check here. And choose who should be notified. Once complete, you will save that activity and continue to build your plan. You can always edit any of the information about your plan by clicking on the edit pencil here. You can view and edit the activity by clicking View. And if you want to remove the activity, click on this X, and that will remove it from your submission plan template. That new plan will appear in your listings, along with any other plans that you've created within listing. And to get back to the Activity tab and Activity Manager, click Activity Manager. And that is how you create submission plans that your agents can later add to their transactions, or create activities checklists if you are an individual agent. For more tutorials, please visit our support page or click on the green Help tab, and one of our agents would be happy to help you.